Hey guys, Jonathan from Conversion Bear here. Today I'm going to show you how to pop up the funnel on top of any web page. That means you can do it inside blog posts, any other website that you have in mind. You can pop up the funnel and take your customers directly to checkout. Pretty cool, huh? Let's get started. So I have here the FAQ that we prepared for this task. So you can get all the technical details and instructions you will need to get this done. I'm going to scroll to the bottom and take the script tag for triggering the funnel on any web page. Copied it, and our website is built on top of Webflow, so you can basically edit any type of website, doesn't really matter, as long as you put the script inside the head tag. Paste the script here, and here we have it. Now, let's fill in the missing details. So first I need to take the store name. So I'm going to head over to my admin and take the store name from here. That's done. Now let's move on to the funnel ID. So I'm heading to my funnels list, and when I hover on top of a funnel name, I see the ID. I'm going to copy this one and paste it here. Now I'm going to save. This is our nice looking homepage, and I'm going to publish it now, and let's test it. Great! It's finally published. Let's see it in action. There it is. Pop a funnel on the right side. Let's see. That's awesome. Add to cart, add to cart, add to cart, and I'm going directly to checkout. This is from our homepage. Doesn't have anything to do with Shopify. You can do this on any web page that you have access to. Pretty cool, huh? Cheers to more sales.